Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's core workout. We have 8 different exercises, about 8 minutes long. No big deal, you're gonna need a dumbbell. Hey, this is video about 600 on this channel. Over 5 years, we have never missed a Monday and Thursday upload. I'm consistent, I expect the same consistency from you guys, so I'll see you on the floor in about 5 seconds. All right, now that we are down here, we are starting with a plank in the push-up position. So we're starting with 2 static planks for the beginning of this workout. So 3, 2, 1, nice push-up position and just hold it. Keep everything nice and tight and just stay with me. Remember, 45 seconds, that's a while to hold. And as always, if for whatever reason you need to drop down to your knees for a little bit, take a little break, or 45 seconds is a little too long, feel free to alter the workout. No pressure here, we do the best that we can. All right, we got 23 seconds left, so we're about halfway down with the interval. Keep everything nice and tight, and we'll take a nice 20-second break after this. Stay down on the ground between the exercises today. 20 seconds is a little short of a break to try to get back up and then get back down. We got 5 seconds, keep holding it, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax for 20. Shake out those arms. Now we got another static hold, but this time we're gonna get down on our elbows. Remember, keep everything nice and tight, glutes tight, hamstrings tight, all of the core tight. You're gonna feel this one in your shoulders also, so keep everything nice and sturdy. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and plank. After the last video, I noticed that my planks aren't so great because I can't see myself right now. So I think I need to be right around here. So that's why I wanna keep it and then compare. 30 seconds, keep it up, keep working with me. About halfway done, lock everything in and stay right here, 20 seconds left. And now we got about 10. Stay right here, hold it with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. All right, we're going to kneeling wood choppers. Grab your dumbbell, you're gonna kneel down this way and then chop in this direction. We're doing 45 seconds, it's going quite a bit of time. A little bit of cardio and a little bit of core. I like doing these functional core exercises, they're fun. 3, 2, 1, and let's go and chop wood. 45 seconds. 30 seconds left, keep it up. It's about now that I'm starting to feel the abs starting to work. Less than 10 seconds, keep it up. 5 seconds left. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Guess what? We're switching sides. Oh, by the way, if I haven't introduced myself, my name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. This is a Thursday core workout. Been doing core workouts on Thursdays for a couple months now. It's kind of fun. Maybe more than a couple months, maybe 3, maybe 4. 3, 2, 1, you guys ready to go? And let's go. Less than 30 seconds, keep it up. $15. Almost there. 5, 3, 2, 1, and put the weight down. All right. About halfway down with the workout. Stay right down here. Kneeling position. Preview's up on the screen right now. 10 seconds left, nice deep breath. Relax into it. Grab your weight. Here we go. 2, 1, let's go and over. Keep it here, keep it here. Functional fitness today. Keep it up. 15 seconds. 5, 3, 2, weight down, 20 seconds left. All right, now we're gonna go around the waist with the dumbbell. So might as well stay right down here, stay kneeling, stay down on the ground. We got 10 seconds left. I'm kind of walking it out on my knees. Here we go. Just pass the dumbbell around your waist. Nice and easy, depending where you're at, right? 45 seconds, here we go. In which direction you do it, I don't care. If you switch halfway through, I don't care. You do whatever works for you as long as that dumbbell goes around that waist and you balance yourself to stand up straight. Try not to drop it on your legs behind you. All right, 20 seconds left. I want to switch directions. Three, 2, 1, and we are done. We'll rest it for 20 seconds. Stay right down here on your knees, guys. So 2 more exercises, I promise. All right, this one I'm gonna pass that dumbbell over our heads. This is very functional because if you screw up, it's gonna clunk you in the head and it's not gonna be pleasant. This is only 20 pounds, still wouldn't be pleasant. Ready? And let's go. Up, pass, over, and press. Up, nice and upright. Don't sit down. Stand up straight on your knees, if that makes any sense at all. Pass it over and press it. Over and press. Over and press. There we go. Up and press. Up and press. Press. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. Up and over. 3, 2, 1, and let go. All right, we start off with a plank. We're gonna finish over the plank in a push-up position. This one's not gonna be static, however. So leg across, leg forward, leg out, switch leg. Nice and easy, 45 seconds left. We get going 5 seconds. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, plank and leg across, tap, forward, tap, out, tap. Same thing on the other leg. Ready? Across, tap, forward, tap, out, tap. Ready? Across, boom. Keep it up and up. Across, forward, out. There we go. Across, forward, out. Across, forward. 15 seconds left and out. Across. Oh, got screwed up on that one. And out. Here we go. Across, boom, and out. Give me one more. Across, forward, and out. And we are done. Hey, I get to stand up finally. You get to stand up finally. So this was it. Nice and easy 8-minute core workout today, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. As always, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Also, check out some of the shorts that I put out. I try to put out 3 or 4 shorts a week, all revolving around the core. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. This was 8-minute core workout with a dumbbell, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.